Welcome to Module 6, Lesson 2, Topic 1, Convert Text to Column. When using data files, sometimes the data isn't divided up into useful components. At times, two or more pieces of data will be included within the same category, when the user will want it to be in separate categories. Excel allows you to manipulate the data so that you can separate one category of data into two or more columns. To separate the data, on the Home ribbon, select the Data tab and locate the Data Tools group. Then select the column containing the data you want to separate. Then select the Text to Columns option. Then in the Convert Text to Columns wizard, step 1 of 3, make sure the Delimited radio button has been selected. Then select the Next button. Then in the Convert Text to Columns wizard, step 2 of 3, select the type of delimiter to use to separate the data. In the given example, delimiter is space. Then select Finish. Now the data has been splitted into two columns. Download the practice file from the link in the description and do it yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in the next topic, Extract Text Using Functions.